Here's a recent trade that I just closed, a clean, simple win that helped my account nicely. How did I know the price was going to behave this way? Not because of indicators, not because of guessing, simply because of this key level. In this video, I'm going to break down how I use support and resistance to predict where price will move, and also how you can use this to your advantage to stop guessing and start reacting to the market. Support and resistance are simply areas on a chart where price has reacted multiple times. Support is where buyers step in and push the price higher. Resistance is where sellers step in and push the price lower. The more times price reacts between the support and resistance, the more interesting this key zone becomes. This is the foundations of using support and resistance in trading. Most traders would draw just a single line as a support and resistance. However, the market does not work that way. Support and resistance should be defined by key zones on a chart, not just by a single line, because price can move slightly above or below these areas, and what matters most important is how it behaves once it's within these zones. I keep it simple. I look for areas where price has reacted many times, clear highs and clear lows on a chart, and also places where price may have stalled. If price reacted there more than once, that area goes on my chart. Now let me show you how this played out on a real trade. Here we can see price is coming back into the support zone, and instead of buying immediately, first I wanted to see how the price would behave within this key zone. Once I realized that buyers were in control, I entered, and this is when the trade became interesting. This is the most important part. I didn't enter because I thought that the price had to go up. I entered because my risk was well defined. My stop loss was below the support zone, and if price broke below this zone, the idea was wrong. Simple as that. This is how you minimize your losses and stay consistent. I'm not aiming for massive moves. I'm aiming for small consistent profits that can add up over time, because consistency is what grows account. Here's what I want you to take away from this video. Support and resistance are key zones on a chart where price has reacted multiple times. You should wait for the price to react. Don't just guess, and always have a defined stop loss to manage your risks. And you honestly don't need complicated strategies to win trades. I break down the market in real time on a daily basis. If you want to follow along, check the link in the description. Thanks for watching.